Excuse me.
Then he had some type of weight loss surgery.
Oh, okay. I know people doing it too, and most of them died.
Oh, the weight loss?
Yeah, back years ago. We'll come over here. That way it won't bother them fishing.
Oh, this is part of it.
Yeah, we come over here. Look, like, see, we're not over there on them. Brownie might be able to get a better drink right there. Another drink? You want another drink? Come on, this might be better for you. Brownie says, yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I do.
Matter of fact,
Look, Marley says he's going wading. Brownie decided he will drink him a little more.
just maybe. Just maybe.
Kills me how Marley's doesn't have any lab in him, and Brownie does, and Brownie won't get in the water. It's like torture to him. Alright, yeah. See the fish? Look at the fish. I just seen the fish jumping up again. I didn't. I seen it over there. I know. I see it. It's pretty cool. If I knew I'd catch him, I'd throw out mine. So he won't bite. Marley, go catch that fish that was just swimming in the water for me. Can I throw you out there and you catch it?
Pretty much what you have to do.
No. All right, we're going back up. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go this way. Beautiful today. Nice.
It really is.
I wish we'd come out here and camp.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we'd come out here and camp. Camp.
Oh.
Be nice. If I'd have wore my shorts, I guess I could have tanned.
Yep. I kind of. Not really.
I think you burnt a little bit.
That's tan. You got to get a first layer.
I did get a first layer.
You didn't get nothing. You'll work, Kings.